skincare lovers, welcome back to the channel where I bring you the best tips that glow up you deserve. And today I am breaking down top 5 serums that you need in your routine. No matter what your skin type is, trust me, there's a serum for everyone. So let's get into it.
So why should you even bother with serums? आप बोल सकते हैं कि serums are powerhouses, ये lightweight होते हैं but packed with potent ingredients जो skin में deeply जाकर skin को breakout से, fine line से बचाते हैं और skin को hydrate करते हैं. There is a serum that can totally level up your routine. This little bottle of magic power peptide cocktail serum, चाहे आपके skin oily, dry या sensitive ही क्यों ना हो, this peptide serum boosts your collagen and firms your skin. ये fine lines को और wrinkles को smooth करता है, skin को hydrate और plump करता है. Next up, vitamin C. This is your go-to for brightening and fighting off fine lines. ये डार्क स्पॉट्स को फेड करता है, स्किन टोन को इवन आउट करता है. ऑल्सो ये एक एंटीऑक्सीडेंट है, सो इट फाइट्स दोज पिस्की फ्री रेडिकल्स दैट एज योर स्किन फास्टर. This bottle with magical drops treats acne by reducing swelling and redness and unclogging clogged pores to allow pimples to shrink. Derma Co Snail Peptide Serum comes with 2% niacinamide and peptide complex and 96 snail mucin, which is must for anyone with oily and acne-prone skin. It controls oil, promotes collagen production, and moisturizes your skin. This Hyphen Advanced De-pigmentation Serum आपके hyperpigmentation को reduce करता है, melasma को light करता है, and also fades stubborn dark spots. Here's how you use these serums like a pro. First, cleanse your face to get rid of any dirt and oil. Then apply 2 to 3 drops of serums directly onto your face. Gently pat it in with your fingertips. Don't rub. Finish with your favorite moisturizer. And if it's daytime, don't skip your SPF.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found your perfect serum from the list. And let me know in the comments which one you are most excited to try. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more skincare tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and always remember that your skin deserves the best. Thank you, bye, and keep glowing.